I'm Chef Philip Dell and we're cooking up Praline-Topped Brie today. I've been waiting forever to give you this one. Come join me. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a saucepan over high heat and we're going to add brown sugar, heavy cream or buttermilk, and salt. We're going to continue to cook that to 210 degrees. It takes about 5 minutes or so. Make sure you keep stirring and scraping down the sides. Next, you're going to add toasted pecans and vanilla. Continue to cook that until it reaches 235 degrees or until everything's all incorporated. Once it's all done, it's ready to serve. There are so many applications. Let me show you a few. So what I've done for you today is I've got 4 different presentations of how you can serve praline-topped brie. I've got slices of brie that are topped on pieces of toast. I've got them just a log of brie cheese and I pour the brie over the top of that. I've got another log of brie and I served it with multi-grain crackers. Your guests can just come up and pick it up. Cookies are a good option there too. Ginger snaps would be perfect. And then my favorite is baked brie topped with praline and caramelized apples. You cannot resist this absolutely decadent dessert. I'm Chef Philip Dell, and we just cooked up praline-topped brie.